In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add these hashtags to your YouTube video, so stick around. What's going on, guys? This is Tamil and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add hashtags right above your title in your YouTube videos. So if you're not sure how to use these hashtags, then I'm going to show you how you can do it today. And I'm going to tell you, is it really relevant for you to actually use these hashtags? Well, that's what I'm talking about today. So let's get started on talking about, these hashtags and how you can use them. Alright guys, so here I am inside of my YouTube account. Now, first I want to tell you a little bit about what a hashtag is, or really what it does. A hashtag basically is like an organizational type of, I don't want to say it's a file, but it's a way to organize videos on YouTube. And I'm sure you probably heard about hashtags, else places, whether it's on, social media sites like Facebook and Instagram. And it kind of serves like sort of the same purpose. When you have a hashtag, what you're doing is you're organizing the keywords for that hashtag. So for example, if I type hashtag make money online is what I actually want to write, it populates it for me. If I click on make money online, which is right here, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come across all kind of videos that's strictly about making money online and nothing else. And I'm going to come across videos that have that keyword in its title and probably in the description as well as the tags. So that's a very popular keyword that people search on YouTube and on Google in general. Also, if you wanted to search other keywords like how to start a YouTube channel, then it's going to kind of come up the same way. It's going to be every video that people put out about how to start a YouTube channel. So you don't have to wonder, what's the best video. It's going to put everything on one page about, making money online. So hashtag helps to, I say organize videos, so it makes it a lot easier for you to find. All right, well, one of the places that I like to use them is in the description. So I'm just going to click on one of my videos right here, or my latest video. One of the best ways to use hashtag, guys, is in your YouTube description. I like to use hashtags just to give an idea of what this video is about. So one of the places that I prefer to add them is right here in the description. And I tend to put it towards, closer to the end of the description. It doesn't really matter. So for this particular video, I'm going to use hashtag YouTube tips and hashtag more views, because obviously I'm going to be talking about, how you can get more views on your YouTube videos. So that's what this particular video is about. And so because it's about that particular topic, I want to use hashtags that will be similar to the topic that I'm talking about. So I want it to be relevant to what I'm already discussing in the video. So that's why I use hashtag YouTube tips and I use hashtag more views. Now, one of the things that you want to learn about hashtags is there's no spaces in between each word. So if you have something that is literally almost a sentence or has, more than, 3 or 4 words, you don't want to put a space in between each one. So there's no spaces. So in this right here, it's all one word, hashtag YouTube tips. And so make sure that you do not put any spaces anywhere and it will be a correct hashtag. So this is basically the main place that I put my hashtags. And my goal for doing that is to make sure that my particular video shows up in this type of category. Now I want to show you how the hashtag actually looks when someone arrives at my video. So guys, when someone arrives at a video of mine, what they're going to find is that my hashtag sits right above the actual title. And this is where your hashtags are going to sit. Now, YouTube typically allows for you to have 3 hashtags that sit right here. I typically have no more than 3. I don't want it to look junky. I usually have like about 2 hashtags here. And I think you're given, a chance to have more hashtags in your description, but I suggest that you don't overdo it. You don't want to have, 6, 7, and 8 hashtags in the description. Keep it to a minimum of 3 good hashtags that basically are going to describe exactly what your video is about. So this is how hashtags would look if they were sitting right above your title. And one of the things that I want to talk about here is what's the purpose of having, the hashtags. And also want to tell you there's a bit of a negative also to having hashtags. So like I said before, hashtags are great for organizing, and it can allow you to go particularly to that keyword and actually see all of the videos that show up under that keyword. The negative part about it is if you were to click on this keyword, it's going to actually take the person or the viewer off of your video and onto a different page. So you can actually click these hashtags. So for example, if I go to YouTube hashtag, if I go ahead and click on it, I'm actually going to end up on this page right here. And these are probably some of the videos that are getting the most views on that particular keyword. And you'll see right here that it takes you to a completely different page. And it's possible that your video isn't going to be at the top of that page. So now the viewer is on a completely different page, and they're actually going to go to other people's videos. So that can kind of be the negative part of having a hashtag on your page. I think that YouTube created them so that you would be able to go to a particular topic and just see all videos on that particular topic. And it's kind of like similar to just searching, to be quite honest with you, just searching regular keywords. So hashtags are great, but it does have a negative standpoint, and that particularly is one of them. Now, I can tell you myself that one of the reasons why I use hashtags, particularly just for branding purposes. So you can actually have a hashtag right here that says Kiowka Tamil. And if that is the name of your channel, or if that is your name, then you can actually start branding your name. So the great thing about hashtag, guys, is that you can actually use it for branding purposes. And when people see it, if they were to click on your hashtag, which is your name, it would actually take them to your site. So let me show you exactly how that would work. So here I am on one of my videos, and obviously this is the one that I just added my name to. So if I use this for branding purposes, then obviously if someone decides to click on hashtag Kiowka Tamil, then what they will find is they will find all of my videos. So if anything, I would suggest, guys, that you use hashtags for branding purposes, and you'll find that that may work a lot better than just putting any old hashtag right above the title of your video. I find that that is probably a lot better than just, throwing any type of hashtag up there. And another thing too is if you want people to get more of your videos, like watching more of your videos, then instead of using hashtags, I suggest that you use YouTube playlists. I think that works a lot better, and people will get more of your videos. It's going to allow them to, watch one video right after another, which is kind of like binge watching videos. And so I would suggest that you use playlists if you're really trying to get more views on your YouTube videos. All right, guys, so I hope you got some value out of this video. I hope you learned something new today, and if so, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like what you heard. And also, I'm always creating valuable content like this on this channel, guys. So if you want to hear more content just like this, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any future episodes. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.